You talk of salaries. Let's talk about doing the job and doing it to great effect.
Yeah.
But you're still not treated with equality.
The win means a lot for the country and for the women, but for women's soccer it means nothing.
Ungalingani nokwenza kwangenelela ikhomishane yezokulingana ngobulili kuleli neyanxusa iSAFA ukuba ichaze ngakho.
We believe these things need a serious intervention if as treasurer has to get involved. Let it be so. These women deserve everything coming unto them in terms of remuneration.
iSAFA iyakuphika lokhu.
I don't understand that question. We have been putting our back into it for the last 5 years. We have invested 300 million. No, I think it is a false understanding that we must still put our back in. We have been putting our back in.
Uhlukile umbono wababedlalela iBanyana.
No matter what happens, there's so many conversations around this that we need to take care of the girl child. We need to take care of women in sports.
For the past 10 years, we should not be singing the same song. A different song we should be singing is how many of our Banyana players right now have got lucrative endorsements.
Yize abaxhasi abanjengoSasol kanye noVaracom sibasalokhu bemi neqembu iminyaka kunesicelo sokuthi abantu bakulelizwe baphose esivivaneni.
Not only corporate South Africa should come to the party. Yeah. I believe that what we have seen South Africans do now when Banyana played in this WAFCON tournament, supporting them and going out in big numbers, we need to make this a regular thing.
iBanyana izotheleka kuleli kusasa ngaphambi nje kwehora leshumi ekuseni esikhumulweni sezindize OR Tambo. Iziteshi ze-SABC zizobe zikusakazela bukhoma ukufika kweqembu.